people. Yes, people. We're up on the journey today. I'm here alone today now, so we have some rabbit right here, so. Him is a what they call it one again, checkers. It's a checkers buck. Yes man, it's a checkers buck, you know, people. And over here so is a giant Flemish baby them. Over here so. Them rabbit over here so. Give me a few minutes there. Them over here so is a chinchilla. Chinchilla mixed. Me remember the breed rabbit we mix it again, you know, people. So we have a few over here so. We have this one over here so. Is the Flemish giant mixed New Zealand. Yeah. See me over so every pregnant any month that she give birth. We have this Flemish giant over here, so this is the mother for the one that with two, the white and grey one I'm showing you earlier. Yes man. I say you said families and friends, man. They're on the farm again, you know. Yes man. And I have this old young over this 7-month one over here, so I have some kitten. Yes, a nice baby. How much baby she have? 5 babies she's supposed to have, people. Yes, people. That is it, you know. That is it. And we have one over here, so I said, people. 2 over here, so people. Yes, man, I'm going to walk down at the goat pen, I'm going to see what I go on. Yeah, man, I'm going to see what I go on and thing. Look at goat pen here. I'm really hungry you know. I'm going to feed them up now. Just want to see them people. Look at goat them, look at goat them I know. And thing. Yes man. So it's it man. Walk up at the pig pen, I'm going to see what I go on the pig pen farm, you know. Yes man, I'm not going to see nobody really in your video, you know, people. I just some look at things I'm showing you today, you know. I just me alone. See me here? Yeah man, if you not see me people, you see me here, you see it. Yeah man, they're on the gully side again, you know. Yeah man, you go yourself. Wave, you know. So, we just show on the pig pen, I wash your morning, pig pen, I go wash it now. This one, should have shown them the dirty pen instead, but you have to see them. See them there. Yeah man, jumping full up of water. Everything. This nice pretty one over here says a land racer again. What I showed you yesterday. This ginger. That ginger. So long and pretty. And this one over here to said we. Yes, man. We have this a white pretty one over here to said we. I have the do-rock right there to said we. Yes, man. We have the do-rock here to said we. Yes, man. We go down on the farm again. Yes man, see my brother there. Say something to the people now. Yeah man. That go on, you know, people. That go on, you know. So today we are do some breeding of rabbit today, you know, people. So we go down back on the farm and show you what go on again, you know. We do some breeding of rabbit today. So I'm gonna tell you that me alone again, you know, people. So not for just seed me, you know. Yeah man, so just take out the one right here, so. Yeah man, see me, take him out there, see it, get him around push by the buck there, if the buck get a success, so if I get a, yes man, so, these are pretty than the people, yeah man, boy I work. Okay, so fix side the rear. Like that, you know, people. I don't know where boy I do, you know, people. I don't know where boy I do up to. Right, that people, you know. So we have the nice rabbit in there, so nice one them, right? As I said, but I'll see you here, see people, see you here, so you know. I'm out.